Yo, what up guys, what up guys? It's your boy King Joffy Joe, back at it again, you know what I'm saying? All my subscribers, welcome back. I miss you guys, miss you, you know I always miss you guys, you know what I'm saying? My new guys, anyone that's new, your first time, hit the like button, you know what I'm saying? Like my video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, come check me out again, you know what I'm saying? And today, as you can see, I'm riding with my boy A.
What up, y'all?
Yeah, so we're gonna be going out to Poe's Seat Tower or something like that in Greenfield. Look at that view right there. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice.
That's real nice.
So we're gonna go out to this tower and take some drone footage, you know what I'm saying? Throw the drone in the air, because my brother's been on my back like, when we gonna see some drone footage? I'm like, dude, man, dude, it's a lot of work. I'm a lazy fuck, you know what I'm saying? But, so we're gonna do that. I actually got my girlfriend and the baby with us, so, you know what I'm saying? Get a little photo shoot going on with the drone.
Little family outing right now.
A little family outing with a fourth wheel, you know what I'm saying? But, hey, what you been up to?
I ain't been up too much, man. I'm actually just getting over a little cold that I have.
You had the
last ride, actually.
You had the Rona? You had the Rona?
Nah, I didn't have the Corona, fortunately. I definitely made sure as soon as I saw that I had a little fever of 100 degrees, I started calling the clinic and asking for advice. And they just told me to monitor my fever, make sure it don't reach no 103, 104. And they told me to take some Motrin. And if that didn't break the fever, then hell yeah, I need to go to the hospital. Which, granted, it broke the fever, and obviously I'm riding today, so I feel a lot better than I did on Monday.
Oh, that's what's up.
Yeah.
Glad to hear you're healthy.
Yeah, you know.
I'm about to say, you riding a little close to me. We need 6 feet.
Nah, man. I actually, if it wasn't for the Corona scare right now, I would have blew it off as just common cold. Like, yeah, obviously, I just went riding for the first time this season. You know, I started coughing that night, actually.
Right, right.
So typically, I would have just wrote it off as shit, I got a cold from riding.
Right.
But with the coronavirus going around, I want to take all the precautions I need to take. You know,
right.
For myself, my girl, my kids.
Yeah, right. You never know, because you was around me. You didn't know if I could have gave you something.
Yeah, I was going to say that too.
You might have been around some other people.
For my people, you know what I'm saying? You got your girl, you got your baby, you know?
Yeah, it is what it is.
Try to keep everybody healthy, you know?
It is. We healthy out here, though, even though it's climbing. The numbers are climbing real bad.
The numbers are climbing, man.
It's crazy out here.
But it don't look like it. We're on the road right now. It don't look like it at all, really.
Nah, there's a lot of cars out here, right?
There's a lot of cars out here.
Normal
day to day.
Right, stay safe, stay healthy. Your job closed?
My job did close for this week, and then I've been on our meetings all week to determine whether we're going to open up this coming week, minimal staff. Yeah, and we finally got the okay that, we got the green light to open up minimal staff, so a lot of people are going to be happy. Yeah. People that are going to be coming to work are going to be happy.
Right. I'm an essential worker, so they didn't close my job, even though I wanted them to, but I could have took a week off.
You're an essential worker?
Yeah, I'm an essential worker. I got the little paper. They gave me a little paper, so if they pull us over and stuff, like, oh, let him through, he an essential worker. They say my job makes stuff for the transportation field, the medical field, and the fucking defense and the military.
Wow.
So, it's freaking, I'm like, we don't make all that. We make saw blades.
Yeah, they don't know that.
But I'm like, all right, well, I'm just going to keep my 6 feet, you know what I'm saying, to stay 6 feet away from me.
But today I saw the weather and I hear the bikes.
Yo.
When I be hearing the bikes, I feel like they be calling me.
Yo, I went for that little quick ride before you called me.
Yeah.
I seen like 9-10 bikes. I'm like, yo, not together, but just out. I'm like, yo, I need to ride.
Yeah, when I be hearing them and I'm like, yeah, they calling me. They calling me to come out. They know I'm around.
Right. Hey, come out and play.
And we know you here somewhere. That little Ryker somewhere around there.
But I'm trying to get a tuner. I don't want a tuner so I can tune my joint up.
Yeah, I know you keep saying that.
I don't want to be buying a bunch of other stuff to make it look good. I want at least to be, you know what I'm saying, pick up a couple of horses and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Go a little faster. I really don't need to go faster, but
I'm really fine where I'm at right now.
Yeah, I don't need to go faster, but I would like to have it if I wanted it.
Yeah, I would like to have that option to blow if I want to blow, because sometimes I get blown on when I be trying to get side to side with these motorcycles.
And that's the thing, like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, that's why I got the 900 instead of the 600, because I want that little extra.
Yeah. But they still, remember last year when we were doing like 100, and they still blown by us.
Yeah, because they be doing like 150.
Like playing cat and mouse the whole ride up there.
Yep. You know the thing it was? Why we kept catching up to them? Because they couldn't counter steer. So they had to slow down on the turns. That's why we kept catching up to them. And they kept blowing by us. Why? How does a motorcycle blow by you like 5 times? Like, because we keep catching up to you because you can't take the turns at 100 like we do.
They fly like those motherfuckers are crazy. But it don't feel like that. It don't feel
crazy when you want it, right? When you just lean in, like when you lean in.
If anything, I try my best to hug the edge of the corner as much as I can.
Right.
Like I try so hard to hug that curve. Makes me feel professional when I do it too. I'm not gonna lie. You ever been to this place before we gone?
Yeah, I've been here twice.
Yeah.
I've been here twice.
On the Ryker?
Nah, not on the Ryker. This was the spot we going now. I was already planning on us going here. I was planning on us one day just riding up here, burning, and then riding home. You know what I'm saying? Because it's a nice little ride.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little spot to burn too. You know what I'm saying?
That's cool. I got problems too.
I don't know if the towers though, if we can go in it. Usually you can go to the top of the tower. I don't know if you can because of the pandemic. You know what I'm saying?
Damn, so we're living in a pandemic right now. That shit don't feel crazy.
Nah, it is crazy.
I wanted to tell you too. There's this other Ryker channel I see. It's a lady.
Ryker Rider?
I think so. It's a lady.
Yeah.
She got blue Ryker.
Yeah. She dope, yo. She dope. She got some dope videos.
Yeah, she got some pretty good videos, man.
A lot of informative stuff.
A lot of informative stuff. She had a video about the rust in the wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah, she had that. Like how to remove it or something like that.
Yeah. She hit me up on Facebook.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, she was asking what editing software I use. I let her know though, you know what I'm saying?
That's cool.
Fellow Ryker riders, you know what I'm saying? Looking out for each other.
Of course. I was telling you, I was texting you not too long ago, but we gotta put together our own little ride this year.
Yeah, I know, I was thinking about that. I want to, but it's like not easy to do. Like the weather-wise, you know what I'm saying? You don't know, you're like,
you gotta plan a day out far enough that way where you can plan the weather.
right.
Well, not plan the weather. Obviously, you can't really plan the weather.
But hope for it.
Yeah, you know what I mean. As far as like better, more summer season and shit.
It has to be like August, July,
August, and I would say what we would have to do is have a riding route, like a route that we're gonna take.
Right.
You know, like a destination, an endpoint. An endpoint would have to be probably like somewhere where we can eat and some shit.
Right. Yeah, that sounds dope. Well, the thing is, like, people be telling me all the time, like, let's make a ride and let's, like, make a group. And it's like, I feel like everyone's telling me to do it. Like, I can't do it all by myself.
People are probably just trying to get you because you probably know more. Not that you know more people, but you probably have a little bit more networking capability.
Yeah, because I can reach out because I got viewers.
Yeah, that's probably why they come to you, like, you got with the viewers, so put it on your channel.
Right.
Stuff like that. That's probably what they're trying to do.
You know what I'm saying? Let me know. That's what they gotta do. They gotta let me know. Anyone that lives around the Western Mass area, like, not even, like, what I'm trying to do is, like, have a group where it's national. Like, even if I never even met you and you got a Ryker and you cool, you know what I'm saying? You could be part of the group. We all wear the same logos. You know what I'm saying? If I ever go to your city, we show each other love. You know what I'm saying?
Sound like a club to me.
Sound like a group, club, same thing. But it's not like clubs, you gotta be like prospects and all that. I'm not trying to do none of that.
Nah, we ain't definitely not trying to do that.
I'm not trying to do none of that. I'm just trying to make everybody be loved. It's a ride crew. So what I'm trying to do, like, anyone like in the New England area, like the Western Mass area, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all trying to meet up and get a ride going. You know what I'm saying? I'm not talking about just like the Western Mass. Like, you know what I'm saying? If you like Middle Mass, You know what I'm saying? We can make a ride where we meeting up with y'all and then we do some more riding, you know what I'm saying? We can do a ride where we pick up people around the route, you know what I'm saying?
Like a tour.
Yeah.
We can do a tour. We can do a tour this summer.
You know, that's another thing I want y'all to do is let my boy A know if he starts a channel, would y'all subscribe? That's what he need to know. Because you know what I'm saying? He been talking about for like a year that he gonna start a channel.
Yeah, I got some ideas for a channel.
So if y'all gonna subscribe, let him know in the comments that y'all would subscribe to his channel and check out his content. As long as it ain't no bullshit.
Yeah, I do bullshit a lot though, so y'all might have a lot of bullshit. That might just be a lot of bullshit. But hey, if you want to tag along for the ride, but it's it, I don't mind.
Look at that on that bridge right there, yo. We're taking this right here like a V. Going to the right up here. Oh shit, actually that's it right there.
We just passed it?
Yeah, it's right here.
I passed it?
Yeah, it's right here.
Alright.
I guess you can walk up there. Before you can drive up there. I guess you can't drive up there now. We're gonna park right where you at, over there somewhere.
Oh man, yo, y'all niggas gotta get up out of your feelings, man. Like a bunch of females and shit. It's me against the world. I set it on all of you. The group never could be a member. Straight dark, it ain't been the same since September of 16. I'm riding dirty, the fiend struggling to get clean. And now you heard me, I know you heard me, my script mean. The chickens love the way my wrist gleam. Been going hard for years, never running out of steam. A good weed, a good beat. Go see the pets, I got good seats. With a stripper on my way to pick this cash up. I'm being me, niggas done bit my little swag up. No B&Es, who I look like, Rob who? Don't want it if it's been worn, I like it new. Style on haters, I style on haters. Was at the crib, now I'm down in Vegas, chuck what it is. A lot of rappers, but I know I'm somebody's favorite. They grilling, they in their feelings, and I ain't even famous. Look at my ride, they start grilling. I guess I just hurt these feelings. They know all of my rhymes, they hate to hear it. I got these people all up in their feelings. She blowing up my line, I gave it a business. And now the started catching feelings. They hate the way I shine, I'm making a killing. But I don't give a fuck about your feelings. Yo, don't give a fuck about your feelings like Chinks drugs. They try to get you plugged cause they want the plug. I want the money, I don't need the love. Keep your love, cause this don't even equal up. They say I'm almost there, it's all about just keeping up. I do what I can, I make them turn the speakers up. I leave it up to God, I'm trying to get my soul right. But that dirty money calling my name, that clean paper don't fold right. I've been getting played like my whole life, so therefore I don't fucking play, have my dough right, be careful. Don't make me have to use you for an example. 80-80, my shady, but they a handful. Catching feelings, I don't think she understand, no. I just wanted to hit, wasn't trying to be a man, ho. Came a long way from sleeping in the bando, and I ain't have a penny like Orlando. I pull up in my ride, they start grilling. I guess I just hurt these niggas feelings. They know all of my rhymes, they hate to hear it. I got these people all up in their feelings. She blowing up my line, I gave it a business. And now the started catching feelings. They hate the way I shine, I'm making a killing. But I don't give a fuck about your feelings. Walk your feelings.
What happened? 12,000. Huh? Nah, it's straight. Oh, fuck. Huh?
Hi.
I couldn't get out the garage.
Huh?
I was stuck in the garage.